Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Freon in Dodge Avenger Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground and turning the engine off, then locate the low side service port near the compressor or accumulator. Attach a rated manifold gauge set to the low side only, follow the gauge reading, and compare to recommended pressures. Keep refrigerant cans upright and refill slowly while monitoring pressures for safe charging. Warm up the vehicle for a few minutes so pressures stabilize and you can get accurate readings. Use a thermometer to track ambient and inlet temperatures, then match the gauge values to specifications. Attach the recharge can to the manifold hose, open the can valve slightly, and add refrigerant in short bursts while watching the low side pressure. Stop when target pressure is consistently reached and recheck system performance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timing and music while you work on projects, and it pairs nicely with a garage workspace. Find the product link and other deals in the description below if interested. Then now let's get back to the video. Begin charging with the engine running and a /C set to max cold to circulate refrigerant. Add in 15 to 30 second pulses, then pause to let the system stabilize and read the gauge. If pressures climb too high, stop and allow the system to settle before bleeding any excess. Confirm cooling performance inside the cabin and inspect for obvious leaks. If cooling is poor or pressures are abnormal, seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.